Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to post in Wix Blog 2025. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating and publishing a blog post on the Wix platform. To get started, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix editor. From there, click on the Blog tab in the top menu bar and select the blog you want to post to. If you don't have a blog yet, you can create one by clicking on the Create Blog button. Once you are in your blog, click on the New Post button to start creating your blog post. You will be taken to the Wix blog editor where you can add a title to your post, write your content, and add media such as images and videos. In the Wix blog editor, you can format your text using the various formatting options available, such as bold, italic, and underline. You can also add links to your post by highlighting the text you want to link and clicking on the link button. To add images to your post, click on the Add Media button and select the image you want to upload from your computer. You can also add videos by clicking on the Add Video button and entering the video URL. Once you have created your post, you can customize its settings by clicking on the Settings button. From there, you can set a category and tags for your post, as well as schedule it to be published at a later time. When you are ready to publish your post, click on the Publish button. Your post will be live on your blog and visible to your readers. You can also share your post on social media by clicking on the Share button. Best practices for posting in Wix Blog include optimizing your post with relevant keywords, using high-quality images, and engaging with your readers by responding to comments. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful blog on the Wix platform and reach a wide audience.